Hello friends, I hope you are well and doing well. So guys, let's talk today education policy related MCQ part 3. I hope it's beneficial for you. So guys, I am also uploaded this MCQ series part 1 and part 2. So let's continue part 3 series. So first question is vocational courses in NEP 2020 is talked about after bridge class. NEP 2020 में वोकेशनल कोर्सेज की बात किस क्लास के बाद की गई है? 5th क्लास, 6th क्लास, 8th क्लास, none of these. So its right answer is class 6. So next question, which is the state that has opposed the recent 3 language formula? हाल ही में 3 लैंग्वेज फार्मूला का विरोध करने वाला राज्य कौन सा है? कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु, केरला, तेलंगाना. सो इट्स द राइट आंसर इज तमिलनाडु. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which new structure has replaced 10+2 curricular structure in NEP 2020? NEP 2020 में 10+2 curricular structure की जगह किस नए स्ट्रक्चर ने ली है? 5+3+2+3, 5+2+2+4, 5+3+3+4 and none of these. So its the right answer is 5+3+3+4. So next question, which article in our constitution provides for free and compulsory education for 6 to 14-year-old children? हमारे संविधान में किस अनुच्छेद में 6 से 14 वर्ष के बच्चों के लिए निःशुल्क और अनिवार्य शिक्षा का प्रावधान है? आर्टिकल 19A, 20A, 21A, 39. So its the right answer is Article 21A. So next question, under the new education policy 2020 subject choice option will now be from which class? नई शिक्षा नीति 2020 के तहत सब्जेक्ट चॉइस ऑप्शन अब किस क्लास से होगा? 9th क्लास, 10th क्लास, 11th क्लास, 12th क्लास. So its the right answer is class 9th. So next question, how many times in the year will the common college entrance exam be done from admission in higher education? उच्च शिक्षा में एडमिशन के लिए कॉमन कॉलेज एंट्रेंस एग्जाम साल में पूरे देश में कितने बार होंगे? 2 times, 3 times, 1 times, none of these. So its the right answer is 2 times. So next question, by which year all higher education institutions should be made multidisciplinary learning? किस साल तक सभी उच्च शिक्षण संस्थाओं को मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी लर्निंग बनाया जाएगा? 2020, 2030, 2040, 2050. So its the right answer is 2040. So next question, by which year education for all has been targeted at the secondary level which 100% gross enrollment ratio in school education? किस साल तक स्कूली शिक्षा में 100% GER के साथ माध्यमिक स्तर तक एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल का लक्ष्य रखा गया है? 2020, 2030, 2035, 2040. So its the right answer is 2030. So next question, by which year will the National Professional Standard NPST be developed for teacher? शिक्षकों के लिए राष्ट्रीय प्रोफेशनल मानक NPST किस वर्ष तक विकसित किया जाएगा? 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. So its the right answer is 2022. So next question, what percentage of GDP went till now education? अभी तक शिक्षा में GDP का कितना प्रतिशत जाता है? 4.43%, 4.5%, 4%, none of these. So its the right answer is 4.43%. So education is now targeted at 6% of GDP under NEP 2020. So guys, I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe my channel. So thank you so much guys.